Okay, I just tried to start a recording a second ago, and it was being all weird, like, I don't know. You see that? It's in the fire. I was trying to start recording. You should, if you haven't seen my last video, you should go watch that, because it'll explain why I'm throwing motherboards into the fire. Kind of. Not really. Oh, look at that membrane. Watch it burn. Oh, you can see the fire in that little hole. Oh, yeah. I love fire so much. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Let's fix that. I don't know why I'm using a marshmallow stick when I have a actual stick right next to me. Like, I have an actual thing. Oh, it's melting slowly. Oh, look at that. Looks like a little thing. I couldn't think of anything. I should probably tend to the fire real quick. Let me pause.